What are the different types of exceptions? A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is 2. What is an exception in C program? A problem that arises during the execution of a program. B. A problem that arises during compilation. C. Also known as the syntax error. D. Also known as semantic error. The correct answer is a problem that arises during the execution of a program. What is rethrowing an exception means in C? An exception that is thrown again as it is not handled by that catching block. B. An exception that is caught twice. C. An exception that is not handled in one caught hence thrown again. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. What is the difference between error and exception? A. Both are the same. B. Errors can be handled at the runtime but the exceptions cannot. C. Exceptions can be handled at the runtime but the errors cannot. D. Both can be handled during runtime. The correct answer is exceptions can be handled at the runtime but the errors cannot. By default, what a program does when it detects an exception? A. Continue running. B. Results in the termination of the program. C. Calls other functions of the program. D. Removes the exception and tells the programmer about an exception. The correct answer is results in the termination of the program. Which of the following is an exception in C? A. Divide by 0. B. Semicolon not written. C. Variable not declared. D. An expression is wrongly written. The correct answer is divide by 0. Why do we need to handle exceptions? A. To avoid unexpected behavior of a program during runtime. B. To let compiler remove all exceptions by itself. C. To successfully compile the program. D. To get correct output. The correct answer is to avoid unexpected behavior of a program during runtime. Which keyword is used to throw an exception? A. Try. B. Throw. C. Throws. D. Except. The correct answer is throw. Which part of the try-catch block is always fully executed? A. Try part. B. Catch part. C. Finally part. D. Throw part. The correct answer is finally part. How exception handling is implemented in the C program? A. Using exception keyword. B. Using try-catch block. C. Using exception block. D. Using error handling schedules. The correct answer is using try-catch block. What is an error in C? A. Violation of syntactic and semantic rules of a languages. B. Missing of semicolon. C. Missing of double quotes. D. Violation of program interface. The correct answer is violation of syntactic and semantic rules of a languages.